Start out by placing the star on the seat. Position the 3 straps coming out of the top of the restraint over the top of your bus seat. You'll need to tuck the 2 black straps connected to the star base back through the seat bight. If you encounter a steel panel at the bottom of the seat bight that prevents the black straps from dropping through, reach under the seat cushion and unlatch it from the seat frame. Then, lift up the cushion enough so you can clear the straps between the steel panel and the seat cushion so the straps drop through. Next, take the gray strap in front of the cushion and slide it underneath. Connecting the straps is as simple as a color matching game. Black to black and gray to gray. The straps need to be flat and not twisted. Now, tighten the outside straps first. This ensures that we pull the Superstar base snugly into the seat bight. Make sure you tighten it enough so that the back foam crushes slightly. Finally, we'll tighten up the center gray strap. Having these 3 straps makes for a more stable and secure system. Tidy up the excess webbing with the clips.